Welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrologer Ranasooth, and today I'm going to talk about Jupiter transit into the sign of Aquarius from 6th April to 12th April 2022. For 1 year, Jupiter is going to stay in the sign of Aquarius, which is going to give you good results. And if you want to know about the predictions, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrologer Ranasooth, and this is my 100 plus video, and my channel has crossed 1 million views. Thank you so much for that. And today I'm going to talk about Jupiter transit into Aquarius, which is happening on 6th of April. And I'm sure all of you must be looking up to for predictions because I got so many requests. I also got requests to make a video in Hindi, which I will make for sure. And yes, one more thing is clear. This transit is going to make things better for business, for real estate for sure. Just because whenever Jupiter is in the sign of Capricorn, it's not able to give you positive results. But as it comes out of debilitation, it is going to give you positive effects. So if you want to know more about it, stay tuned.
Jupiter will transit in 11th house for all the Aries ascendant people. Saturn is in Capricorn in the 10th house, and finally Jupiter is separating from Saturn on 6th of April, and it's moving into Aquarius, and it will influence your 3rd house, your 5th house, and your 7th house from its 5th, 7th, and 9th aspect. 3rd house will give you short distance travel. 5th house will give you good news from your children. And all those who have been planning a family, this is the right time to go ahead. And yes, all the people who are just looking it for their soulmates, this is the year you might get married. Personal life seems calm and trouble free, so there are no major issues. So all you need to take care of your health is just be cautious about what you eat, and minor health concerns like viral infections might be there, so just take care of yourself, wear a mask, and yes, good times ahead. For Taurus ascendant people, Jupiter will come in transit in your 10th house on 6th April 2021, and it's going to stay there for 1 year till 12th of April 2022. Jupiter rules your 8th house and your 11th house. So, partially, this is going to be a mediocre time in your life in which you will have some gains. But yes, there will be some expenses you need to take care of. Saturn is situated in your 9th house in transit. So, this is a good year to travel, but you won't be able to travel abroad. Yes, you might travel in your own country. Jupiter is aspecting your 2nd house of family. It's also aspecting your 4th house. So, real estate is good this year for you. It might give you some source of income, and it's also aspecting your 6th house of job. So those who are looking in for promotion, this is the right time to ask your boss for some bonus. So good times ahead. For Gemini ascendant, Jupiter rules your 7th house of marriage and 10th house of career, and in transit on 6th April 2021, it has come in your 9th house of foreign travel. This year, for sure, one foreign travel is waiting for you. And yes, business minded people will face little problem in completing orders. No doubt they will be able to finish it because after retrogression in October, your life will be smoother. A good female friend will help you and will be the much support you need during this time. This period, you will see increase in your income if you are related to journalism, mass media, because Jupiter is aspecting your 1st house, 3rd house, and your 5th house of creativity. So you will become more creative this year, and you will get a lot of income through sources that are requiring creative work. So good luck. For Cancer ascendant, Jupiter rules your 6th house and 9th house, and in transit on 6th April 2021, it's coming in your 8th house. And Career-oriented individuals and business people might find little difficulty maintaining their focus, and you need to put
My
some
advice for all
extra
the
efforts in your
constituencies:
work to
drink
achieve desired
water of
results.
8 Mukhi and
There
9
will be
Mukhi
some
Rudraksh
frictions
daily in a
amongst
silver
family
glass
members, so just
as
take care.
preventive
The
measure against
retrograde
coronavirus,
period, which
just
will
because
start from
it's
20th
really good
June
for immunity.
and till
And the
mid-September,
punchline for
you
all
might
the
have some problems
constituents
in your
is
married life.
that they
And
are
Jupiter is
pointlessly
aspecting your
opening the
12th house,
refrigerator
it's
time
aspecting your
and
second
again.
house
Please
and
stop
fourth
that.
house. So you might also gain a little bit through real estate. So you might be having some kind of income from real estate. And just take care of your married life. There might be some kind of arguments, so just avoid it. For Leo ascendant people, Jupiter rules your fifth house and eighth house, and in transit, it has come in your seventh house of marriage and partnership on 6th April 2021, and it's going to stay there till 12th April 2022. Jupiter is going to give you good results because it's in seventh house. So all those who have worked hard last year, this is the year that you will get fruit of your labor. And people around you will be very supportive, and there are chances of pursuing some kind of higher studies also. You have to focus on your work this year. And in retrogression between mid June to mid September, you just need to be cautious. Don't think about changing your job at that time. And Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house of income, first house of personality, and third house of communication and short distance travel. So this year is a lucky year for you. Good luck. For Virgo ascendant people, Jupiter rules your fourth house and your seventh house, and in transit, it has come in your sixth house. For sure, you can look up to job promotion or bonus, and from 6th April 2021, this transit is coming in your 6th house. So that means you can try for a new job also. In between 20th June to 20th of September, when Jupiter goes retrograde, you can think about planning your child or during that period, because that is good period for progeny. And Jupiter aspects your 10th house, your 12th house, and second house. For sure, this year will be good as far as marriage is concerned, family is concerned, and business is concerned. So, good luck. For Libra ascendant people, Jupiter rules your third house and sixth house, and in transit, it has come in your fifth house. It's a very lucky year for you, for sure, because creativity, love will increase in your life. Jupiter is aspecting your ninth house. For sure, you will travel abroad this year. It's also aspecting your 11th house of gains, of new friends, contacts. You might meet new people and you'll have a great time. It's also influencing your first house of personality. Maybe you will try new diet and you will see a change in your personality. And yes, if you're just planning for some weight loss, this year is lucky, and you might change the way you look this year. So it's a good year. And in the later part of the year, during Jupiter retrograde, your closeness with your mother will increase, and her blessings and her words of advice will help you in great deal. And good luck. For Scorpio ascendant people, Jupiter rules your second house of family and fifth house of children. And in transit, it has come in your fourth house. For sure, this is the year you need to concentrate more on your family front. And on 6th April, this transit is taking place. And for 1 year, it will stay there in your fourth house. And between the period when Jupiter goes retrograde in mid June to September, you might think about traveling with your family. It might be a short journey which you might take. You will bag new lucrative projects this year, and you will be appreciated for your work. Children will give you a reason to cheer up, and it will be a great time in your family. And if we see Jupiter aspecting your 8th house, your 10th house, and your 12th house, you might gain something from your maternal property. And yes, this is the year you can think about starting a new business also. It's a good year for all the Scorpions, and stay blessed, be happy, bye bye. Planet Jupiter is the ruling planet for Sagittarius people, and it rules your first house and fourth house. And in transit on 6th April 2021, it has come in your third house of communication, mass communication, effort house, and short distance travel. So this year you might travel a lot. due to your work, or maybe you might think about traveling with your family, or it might be some kind of celebration. This period is very auspicious to start a new venture or to make investment of any kind. Domestic life will be good this year. If we see the aspects, Jupiter is aspecting your 7th house, it's aspecting your 9th house and 11th house, which is very auspicious. 7th house is for marriage, 9th house is for travel, and 11th house is for income. So when Jupiter aspects all your good houses like 7th house, 9th house, 11th house, so you can expect that there might be a family gathering or you might travel abroad with your family. So good times ahead. Stay blessed, be happy. Bye-bye. For Capricorn ascendant people, Jupiter transit will fall in your 2nd house of family, and it's going to start on 6th April 2021, and Jupiter is going to stay there for 1 year till 12th of April 2022. This transit will help you expansion of your knowledge, skills and personality. During this period, you will have impressive communication skills that will immensely help you in your professional and work life. Yet you're advised to do your present job and not to think about only your job during this period. You need to be extra careful during Jupiter retrograde because at that time you might argue a lot with your life partner. Jupiter aspects your 6th house of job, 8th house, some kind of paternal property you might get, and 10th house of career. Your career will prosper. Financial position looks comfortable, and there are no major health problems this year. So, good luck. For Aquarius ascendant, Jupiter transit into the sign of Aquarius is a major transit just because it's happening in your 1st house of self realization. It's going to aspect your 5th house of love, it's going to aspect your 7th house of partnership, and it's going to aspect your 9th house of foreign travel. And you might realize that your life is beautiful just because of the people that are in it. You might think about doing some new business related to creativity, and you might also think about planning a day out or a trip with your family. Jupiter rules your 11th house and 2nd house. So this year you might gain a lot of income and will increase your bank balance by making changes in your lifestyle, by changing the way you look up to your business. This is immensely lucky year for you. For all the Aquarians who are not married might think about getting married, or those who are in love, they might plan a marriage later this year. For Pisces ascendant people, Jupiter rules your 10th house and your 1st house. So it's coming in transit on 6th April 2021 in your 12th house of expenses, and it's going to stay there for 1 year till 12th of April 2022. In between, it will go retrograde between mid-June to mid-September. At that point, you will have a lot of new contacts and you might have new sources of earning. But the moment it is in 12th house, it's going to give you a little bit of expenses. So just check your domestic life. Just try to sort out all your issues on your own. This might create a little problem between your business partners also. So just be very polite with them. Jupiter is aspecting your 4th house, it's aspecting your 6th house of job, and it's aspecting your 8th house of litigation. So just need to be careful with your words and just check your expenses. This is not your lucky year. I won't disappoint you, but yes, when it goes into retrogression, then you might gain a lot of wealth and income. But yes, the key note of this year is to be polite, and work will be in your favor if you are polite in your words. Thank you so much, and if you need any consultation, you can email at the link below. And stay blessed, be happy. Bye bye.